Have you ever thought that you can play amateur golf in Mozambique?
Hello explorers and welcome to this week's episode. In this week's episode we're going to explore the southern part of Mozambique, mainly Ponta Do Ouro and Ponta Malongane.
Let's jump right into it by showing you some places we discovered to stock up on supplies. This convenience store is not listed on Google Maps, but it's right across the street from the Snack Crab Bar. You can't miss it as it's on the main Ponta Malogane road. And yes, of course they have snacks. Who doesn't need a snack sit-in on holiday? So Lucas Butchery will not disappoint and is definitely the best place in Ponta Malongane to stock up. Here you can buy anything from meat, fresh seafood, spices and the basic braai needs. You won't believe it, they even have fishing gear for a Mozambique fishing adventure. There is also a Lucas Butchery located in Ponta Do Ouro.
Handling is your mega beverage supplier. They only sell water, cold drink, alcohol and juice. These colourful white and green handling buildings are located all over Mozambique. As you drive along the long main road in Ponta Do Ouro, there are a lot of stalls to stock up on your favourite memorabilia to take home. We made a pit stop at the dive camp in Ponta Do Ouro, as some of our friends are regulars here and wanted to say hello. If you are considering to dive in Mozambique, click on the pop-up banner in the top right hand corner to see how Skippy survived a panic attack at the bottom of the ocean. During this holiday we drove past so many awesome restaurants and bars between Ponta Do Ouro and Ponta Malogane. We would love to come back and experience more of them.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Love Cafe in Ponta Do Ouro. Yes, that lady is addicted to coffee and this place has yummy food. The Love Cafe has beautiful decorative details and after our snack we continue on with our adventure.
Guys, it was compulsory to stop at the famous Fernando's to see what the hype was about. But I must say, it was fun looking around at all the cards hammered to the poles and tables, but I think this is the perfect place for new visitors in Mozambique, to get the feel for the famous R&R specials. I will definitely show you our favorite place in Ponta later in this video. Skippy had to join in and hammer a card to the pole.
In my opinion, Nina's Restaurant and Bar is a more relaxed, quiet place for a family dinner. The view from the deck is spectacular at sunset, and they have a lot of food options on the menu to cater for the whole family. If you feel adventurous, they also have a steep staircase all the way down to the beach.
Guys, if you come here to 360 View restaurant, you have this amazing view and the food looks very delicious. And if you're from South Africa, there's actually a South African signal here. So I've been sitting here phoning all my friends and making them jealous of our Mozambique holiday. So definitely come and give this place a go. This place is pretty cool.
Why if I'm honest, can't be bothered with it now. All the times I let you in and then you let me down. I can't be bothered, so I need you back.
And now we will show you the bar where we had the most fun. Jack's Barefoot Bar. The vibe in this place is amazing. But the thing that makes this place so fun is the golf. Yes, you heard right, golf. We all had a turn to try and get the ball in a circle at the bottom. It was extremely entertaining. The golf clubs are probably the worst you've ever seen, but that is what makes it so much more fun. We came back multiple days to try our luck, but the only person that made it was Bom Dia, and that on his 4th try. I even tried the famous Happy Gilmore, but no luck. You have to visit this place if you come to Ponta. If you manage to get the ball in a circle, you can put your name and date on the wall of fame. The best thing you can do on any holiday is spend time with friends and family, just relaxing on the beach. Whether that is digging a hole or trying to catch a crab, spending time with loved ones is definitely the best activity you can do on any trip anywhere in the world. Okay guys, so in our experience, first arriving in Ponta Do Ouro, it was very overwhelming. We stopped at the market because there's a handling right there. The handling was unfortunately closed. So we went into the market to stock up on all the stuff we need for this trip. But the people were rushing us, yelling prices and stuff. It was very overwhelming. So I would say if you're staying in Ponta Malongane, rather come this side. Do your shopping and your stock up here rather than in Ponta Do Ouro. But if you're staying on that side, I guess you then don't have a choice. But just relax, keep calm, tell them not to shout out to you. You will buy what you want when you need it. Guys, thank you for joining us in this episode in the southern parts of Mozambique. This was a short but fun trip. If you like the content we create, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Remember guys, explore more!